Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for OneDaySaving. So let's see what we have. We have 2 stamped cross stitches to start with. And the first one was $9.42. Hold on. All right. And I will put a picture here. Yeah, so this is one of the Tai Chis. It is a 40 by 40. It does have the product number and how big it is here. And then at the bottom, it's 147 by 147. And this has 40 colors, and it's kind of one of the landscape ones. I wanted to get one of those just to see what they were like. This has no 310. It has 154, which is that mulberry color, and 498, which is the brick red. No 550 purple, no 823. It does have some 939, and no 3371. Does have 3770, which is kind of a creamy white, if you will, and no 3865, but this does have some blotching on it, but the symbols will be the same here as on your canvas, so I will let them know that there was some blotching on the paper. It's not, I don't know, it's not real good. That's the only place where it seems to be bad, is just right in this little quadrant right here. I'm not worried about the yellow part, it's just, you know, the symbol over the symbol. So yeah, I will let them know about that. It usually doesn't affect the canvas. Let me flip this over. Get everything out from underneath me. It does come with a paper instruction page. How to start, how to finish, how to cross stitch and do other stitches, which is a normal thing. We have a toolkit with a tiger. It has 5 needles. I had to check. 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Let's take a look at the colors. It does tell you it's a 40 by 40 and the product number that would match the paper pattern and the canvas. So it looks like we got some hanks of color. Hang on, gotta figure out how to open it. But I like how they put the threads in these plastic bags. It keeps them from getting all tangled up. So very nice packaging on that part. Now if they could just conquer the paper pattern, we'll have it made. Get rid of that. And we have a hank of 939 and the mulberry color 154, which is very nice. But look at those blues. Ugh. A turquoise. Gotta get them all undone here. Very nice. A lot of thread for a 40 by 40, I'm telling you. It is full coverage though. So we got your turquoise and a kind of a goldish orange, some green. Let's see if we have any teals in this. Maybe. Beautiful, beautiful colors, earth tones. I like the vividness of these turquoises. And there's like a medium turquoise. I don't know, it's not medium turquoise, it's a different color in itself. Maybe teal. I don't know how to explain it. There is some darker teal. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I just thought it was pretty. Hardly wait to work with all these beautiful threads. They're gorgeous. Put that in there. Put my toolkit in there so we don't lose it. Just in case I need an extra needle. Let's wrap that up. But look at all those different colors. Beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right. take a look at the canvas. I'm going to move this other one out of my freeway. It is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. Very nice key. The stitching goes right along the edge, so it's not even close to where the key is, so you can see all the lovely numbers and symbols. Symbols are, I'm going to fold that in half so you don't look through it. There you go. So it's a little bit easier, but very nicely printed. All these Tai Chi type things, or yin and yang, have been just excellent, except for the paper pattern every once in a while. I think they were just pushing them out too fast, and they didn't let the ink dry, but they were just lovely. So there's a whole batch out there that has kind of blotched paper patterns. All right, it is 40.5 centimeters that way, and 40.5 centimeters this way, or 16 inches both ways. Actual picture size is 34 centimeters, or about 13.25. So they should be pretty square. They usually are. 34 centimeters, maybe a tad bit over, or 13.5 inches. So very nice, very well done. I love this whole group of pictures. You know, some of them I like better than others. You know, I got the animals and the birds and the lotus and the elephants and tigers and stuff. I like the animals the best. There is one, that other one that I got was a landscape, and it had a little red house-ish down here in 2 different seasons. So I like that one. But I did like the colors in this, so I think it'll be beautiful. I really do. I will put it with the rest of my Tai Chis, or yin and yangs. Let's take a look at the next one. So, get it out of this bag. Get the bag gone. All right, let me just grab the paper. See if this one's printed any better. Now this, the picture for it is right here. It's a blue butterfly with roses, and it has a little path of like stone looking things going through it. Picture here. All right. But yeah, I love the colors in this one too. And it's only a 40 by 50. So that is good. Liking these smaller sizes, I'm telling you guys. They're hitting them out of the park on these smaller sizes. You know, they don't have to be so ginormous, you know. But look at the size of that butterfly. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. This has 40 colors too. I'm looking at the pattern. It has, it's easier to show, just little dots up there in the margin. I'm looking very close. This pattern seems to be okay. I don't see any smudges or smears or anything inside the pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. For symbols, let's see what colors we have in this. We have 154, which was that dark mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple, 666 red, that is so hard to say, 823 dark blue, no 939, no 3371, and no 3865, and no 3770 for that other lighter color. So they must be using another color for a white or a light, like a pale yellow, pale tan, whatever. But very well printed. Very happy with this. And I just love that it's not too big. Now this one was 1006. So very nice pattern. Love that. I'm glad you can actually see it. We have another tiger again. 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. does come with an instruction page on how to start, how to finish, and how to cross stitch and do other things like back stitching and French knots. I'm glad they're including that for people that have never done this before. The colors are all packaged up. It does say 40 by 50 here and has the same product number that is on the paper pattern and the canvas. So check and make sure those are right. Get this out of here. Holy cow. Okay, we have a hank of 2 hanks of 310 black. I guess we're going to have a lot of black in this. Very nicely done. And another big wad of threads. These aren't as mushed together for some reason. Beautiful turquoises and corals and golds and kind of a blue-green. It's more on the green tone than it is the blue, but just beautiful. And beautiful, beautiful, stunning colors. 550 purple. 154, and I'm not real sure of those. 154 and 3 and 4 is 304 and 309 respectively. 304, 309. Different shades of red. I believe it's 550. Huh, I thought it had 498 in it. Am I losing my mind? Nope, that must have been the last one. Hello. I'm losing it. This is the 666 red. Orange, bright, beautiful colors. Look at those pinks and all the blues and teals and turquoises. You even have like a royal blue here. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Greens, seafoam green. So I guess they're using number 16 for a white, if you will. And number 16 is 712. So that's a different one. Beautiful colors. Just absolutely a rainbow. Just a rainbow. Gorgeous colors. Yep, I can hardly wait to use them. Get it all wrapped up so we don't lose the hanks. Oops, I forgot to put the... I'll put the toolkit in there in a minute. It is serged all the way around. Very nice. And the ends are even cut off. Maybe they're tired of me saying, I gotta cut the ends off. So it does have product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. It's 147 by 190. So kind of oblongy. But it does have some big areas. And a little bit of confetti. Just poof, 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 poof. You know. Here, there, but not the whole thing is confetti. So very nice. I like that butterfly. Heck, I'd start with that frickin' butterfly first. I'm telling you, gotta have it. And nice key. Nice, easy to read, big numbers, and the canvas is the same. I forgot what I was gonna say. Very easy to see all the symbols. Very nice. And I like, it's not very big. Like that part. Very nice canvas. It is a little thick, but like I say, after you've held that in your hand for about a week, you know, it all starts to break down. Maybe even sooner. I usually have a death grip on it because I'm doing it in hand. I'm not putting this in a hoop. That has never worked for me. Okay. 50.5 centimeters or almost 20 inches. 40 centimeters or 15.75. Actual picture size is 17.25 or 44 centimeters by 33.5 centimeters or almost 13.25 inches. So very nice size, beautiful roses. I love it. It's wonderful. And there's not Let me see, what number is that? Number 5. So there's not a whole lot of black, you know. It's just kind of here, a little there, comes down here, there's a little bit through here, and then it's got other colors scattered into it, so that's very nice, and just a little bit over here. So it breaks it up. It makes it nice when you're stitching. You don't have to stitch this whole section 310 black. That just irritates the heck out of me. I can't. But, you know, if I'm trying to finish a section, I'll put that black in, you know, and then work it to here, and then I'll do this part here, and then I'll do that black section. And so you can do them in sections, little bits at a time. But very nicely done, very well printed. It's wonderful. I love it. All right, now OneDaySaving has free shipping over $50. If they have any specials, I will put that in the description box below. If I have any discount codes, I will put them in there as well. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They do custom. I don't know in which of those 3 categories they do custom. They do have tools and crafts for all 3 of those, of the big ones. And they also have paper quilling, beaded cross stitch. So they have a lot of different things there for you. Do check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful kits this week and last. They're just outrageous. Love them. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.